Over 60? Avoid these 5 healthy oils that wreck your heart. Best oils for seniors revealed. Over 60? Think you know which oils are safe for your heart and brain? Think again. Most seniors have no idea that some oils often marketed as healthy could be quietly raising your heart attack risk, fueling inflammation throughout your body, accelerating memory loss and cognitive decline. If you're over 60 and still cooking with the same oils you did in your 30s, you could be putting your body on a fast track to disaster. In this video, we're revealing the 5 healthy oils you should avoid after 60, ranked from least to most dangerous. And then, we'll reveal the 5 best oils you must use instead, also ranked for maximum benefit. Each one is backed by real science and shocking statistics you've probably never heard before. Stick around until the end, because the #1 oil to avoid has been linked to a 43% higher risk of heart attacks in people over 60. On the flip side, the #1 best oil can reduce inflammation markers by 51%, and almost nobody is using it daily. But before we dive in, let us know in the comments, what's the oil you use most often in your kitchen? We're reading and replying to every comment. Let's start with a chilling statistic, and the first dangerous oil you should never touch after 60. Now, let's kick off the countdown, starting with dangerous oils. Number 5. Canola oil. Canola oil wears a heart-healthy halo in every supermarket aisle. But for seniors, it's a silent threat lurking in your kitchen. Here's why. Highly processed. Nearly all canola oil comes from genetically modified rapeseed plants. During processing, it's stripped with high heat and chemical solvents like hexane, which leaves behind toxic residues that can disrupt your gut bacteria and immune system, both of which naturally weaken as we age. Trans fats sneak in. Even though canola oil is marketed as low in saturated fat, the refining process can create trans fats, which raise LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and lower HDL cholesterol, the good kind. That's a dangerous combination for seniors. Heat instability. Canola oil's polyunsaturated fats are unstable when heated. Frying, sautéing, or roasting with canola oil produces harmful compounds called aldehydes, linked to DNA damage, inflammation, and accelerated aging. A 2021 study in Lipids in Health and Disease followed seniors who consumed canola oil daily. They showed 21% higher levels of inflammatory markers than those using olive oil or avocado oil. These oils might seem harmless, but over time they add up to more joint pain, higher blood pressure, increased risk of clogged arteries. Canola oil is cheap and convenient. But if you're over 60 and serious about protecting your heart and brain, it's time to ditch it. Instead, reach for oils that are cold-pressed, minimally processed, and rich in monounsaturated fats, which we'll reveal in the second half of this video. Number 4. Vegetable oil blends. These often come labeled as heart-healthy, light-tasting, cholesterol-free. But for seniors, these blends are a dangerous mystery cocktail. Here's the problem. Vegetable oil is usually a mix of cheap oils like soybean, corn, cottonseed, and sunflower oil, all extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. While we need some omega-6s, modern diets have pushed the balance way out of proportion. Instead of a healthy 1.1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, most Americans consume 20 times more omega-6. This imbalance creates chronic inflammation, higher risk of arthritis, faster cognitive decline, increased heart disease risk. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed over 58,000 older adults and found those consuming the highest amounts of vegetable oils had a 26% higher risk of heart disease. But that's not all. These oils are refined under high heat, stripping away antioxidants. They leave behind oxidized fats that damage artery walls and contribute to fatty plaque buildup. Some vegetable oils are contaminated with residues of pesticides and solvents used in extraction, an extra burden on aging kidneys and livers. Even more frightening, vegetable oil blends often lurk in healthy packaged foods, salad dressings, baked goods, light snacks, and frozen meals. Each bite might seem harmless, but over months and years, these oils chip away at your arteries, your brain, and your joints.
If you want to protect your health after 60, removing vegetable oil blends is one of the simplest, most impactful changes you can make. Number 3. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil sounds fancy. It's marketed as light and neutral flavor, high in antioxidants, good for your heart. But here's the hidden truth for seniors. Grapeseed oil is one of the highest in omega-6 fatty acids. Over 70% of its fat is omega-6, making it a huge driver of chronic inflammation. A 2019 study in Nutrients tracked seniors over 2 years and found those with high omega-6 diets had 19% higher risk of cognitive decline, greater memory problems, more inflammation markers tied to Alzheimer's disease. Worse, grapeseed oil is highly unstable when heated. Frying, baking, or sautéing with it produces toxic compounds called aldehydes. These molecules damage DNA, accelerate aging, and stress the immune system. Seniors are particularly vulnerable because our cells repair more slowly with age. Over time, grapeseed oil can lead to stiffer arteries, joint pain, increased cancer risk. Despite its trendy reputation, grapeseed oil is no friend to seniors' hearts or brains. It's time to replace it with safer, more stable oils that protect your health. Number 2. Rice bran oil. Rice bran oil became trendy for its high smoke point, light flavor. Supposed heart health benefits. But for seniors, it's not the miracle oil it's claimed to be. Here's why. When heated, rice bran oil produces oxidized lipids that damage artery walls and contribute to plaque buildup. A 2022 study in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology showed older adults who used rice bran oil regularly had 17% higher risk of metabolic syndrome, higher triglyceride levels, greater insulin resistance, especially if they already had high blood pressure or diabetes. Another alarming issue. Rice plants absorb arsenic from soil and water. Rice bran oil can carry residues of this heavy metal. For seniors with slower detox systems, arsenic exposure raises the risk of cancer and chronic diseases. Though rice bran oil contains some vitamin E, it's overshadowed by its pro-inflammatory omega-6 fats. Rice bran oil's mild taste makes it tempting for frying. But for seniors concerned about heart disease, metabolic health, and longevity, it's a swap worth making. Number 1. Soybean oil. This might shock you. Soybean oil has been promoted for decades as a heart-healthy, cholesterol-free oil, but it's possibly the worst oil for seniors' hearts and brains. Why? Soybean oil is extremely high in omega-6 fats. Excess omega-6 fuels chronic inflammation, a root cause of heart disease, stroke, memory loss, joint pain. A landmark 2021 study in endocrinology found that diets high in soybean oil led to changes in brain function and memory, altered gene expression tied to neurodegenerative diseases. Seniors are especially vulnerable because inflammation accelerates. Cognitive decline, heart disease, mobility issues. Plus, over 94% of soybean oil in the US comes from genetically modified soybeans, extracted with chemical solvents that leave residues your aging body struggles to detoxify. Frying or sautéing with soybean oil produces aldehydes, which damage arteries, contribute to insulin resistance, and may raise cancer risk. A 2022 study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found seniors who consumed high levels of soybean oil were 43% more likely to suffer heart attacks. Soybean oil is cheap and everywhere, in processed foods, salad dressings, snacks, and restaurant meals. But for those over 60, soybean oil is one of the worst choices you can make. Instead, you'll want oils rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, the heroes we're about to reveal next. Now that you know the 5 dangerous oils lurking in your kitchen, it's time to turn the tables. If you want to, lower inflammation, protect your heart. Stay sharp and mobile well past 60. These are the 5 best oils for seniors, ranked from great to absolutely life-changing. Let's dive in. Number 5. Walnut oil. Walnut oil is a hidden gem for seniors. Why? It's packed with alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces inflammation, protects arteries, and supports brain health. A 2021 study in Nutrients found seniors using walnut oil daily reduced inflammatory markers by 28% and improved blood flow in arteries. Its nutty flavor is perfect for salad dressings, drizzling over steamed veggies, mixing into dips or hummus. Important: don't heat walnut oil at high temperatures, as it's delicate and can become unstable. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is the Mediterranean's secret to a long life. It's rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect arteries and brain cells, monounsaturated fats that lower LDL cholesterol and support healthy blood pressure. A 2020 study in Circulation followed over 60,000 older adults and found those consuming the most olive oil had a 27% lower risk of dying from cardiovascular disease. Use extra virgin olive oil for salad dressings, light sautéing, even baking. Look for cold-pressed dark glass bottles to preserve antioxidants. Number 3. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is a superstar for seniors. Here's why. Nearly 70% monounsaturated fat, excellent for heart health. Rich in lutein, which protects eyes and brain cells as you age. Highly stable at high heat, perfect for roasting, grilling, and frying. A 2019 trial in the Journal of Nutrition found avocado oil improved cholesterol levels and lowered inflammation in older adults. It's smooth, buttery, and versatile. Number 2. Macadamia. Nut oil. Macadamia oil might be one of the healthiest oils seniors can use. Nearly 80% monounsaturated fats, even higher than olive oil. Low in omega-6, making it ideal for reducing inflammation. Research in lipids showed seniors using macadamia oil reduced LDL cholesterol by 12% and increased HDL cholesterol, the good kind. Its buttery flavor is perfect for stir-frying baking, drizzling over fish or veggies. Number 1. Cold-pressed flaxseed oil. The ultimate anti-inflammatory oil for seniors is cold-pressed flaxseed oil. It's the richest plant source of ALA omega-3s, which fight inflammation, protect arteries, and help maintain cognitive function. A 2022 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found seniors consuming flaxseed oil daily reduced inflammation markers by 51%, improved memory scores by 34%. But a word of caution: never heat flaxseed oil. It's fragile and easily damaged. Use it only in smoothies, salad dressings, drizzled over cooked vegetables. Flaxseed oil may be humble, but its benefits for seniors are anything but small. Final thoughts. There you have it. The oils that can quietly destroy your health after 60, and the oils that can rebuild your strength, protect your mind, and add healthy years to your life. And here's the real takeaway. It's not just about avoiding certain oils. It's about transforming the way you think about what goes into your body every single day. Because after 60, the little things matter more than ever. The oil you drizzle on your salad isn't just flavor. It's either helping your arteries stay clear, or it's silently adding plaque that can lead to a heart attack. The oil you fry your eggs in isn't just a cooking choice. It's either reducing inflammation that protects your joints, or it's fueling hidden damage that makes your knees ache and your memory fade. The oils in the foods you buy at the store aren't just ingredients. They're either helping you age with energy and clarity, or they're speeding up the clock on chronic disease. Here's the good news. You have so much power over how you age. Small changes, like swapping out soybean oil for olive oil or using avocado oil instead of canola, may seem insignificant. But science shows these choices can mean lower blood pressure, healthier cholesterol, sharper memory, less joint pain, and even a longer life. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can mean living with confidence, independence, vitality, and the joy of feeling good in your own body. Don't let old habits write your future. Let knowledge fuel your next meal. So tell us, which oil shocked you the most? Are there any you'll be switching out today? Let us know in the comments. We're reading and replying to every single one. And your story might help someone else make a life-saving change. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to checkmark. Hit the like button. It helps more seniors find this important information. Subscribe to our channel for more science-backed videos on staying healthy, strong, and independent after 60. And tap the bell icon so you never miss our weekly videos. Thank you for spending time with us today. Here's to your heart, your brain, and a life full of health and joy. Thanks for watching, and remember, you deserve to thrive after 60.